So we are moving on to similar polygons. Let's just for fun, let's look. Who are the people up here? Do we know?
Tom Brady.
Tom Brady.
Red Pepper.
Yep.
Snapchat.
Snapchat. Who's the guy on the left? That's our mayor. He's been your mayor for forever. He probably delivered a lot of you. Good to know.
That is so weird.
It is weird. Why? Just
Because he
keep
is
you
certified.
informed with our city government.
It's
say,
just
why
a
did I do
side
that?
hustle, you
No,
know,
I
like,
said
Oh.
yeah,
like
it's just for the
people,
side
like everyone
cash.
like
Being
can,
mayor,
like,
delivering kids.
To deliver you?
He's got
Yeah.
It's
the
kind of weird.
like oh who delivered you? Oh my mayor.
It's kind of weird.
Who's gonna ask you who delivered you?
Well, I'm just saying like
I
That'd be
Hey, hey, how's it going? Nice to meet you. Yeah, my mayor delivered me. I
this is a
delivered
small
myself.
town.
This is a preview of what a similar polygon is. Because a similar polygon are two polygons. It's just a shape, you guys, made up of straight sides. They're the same shape, but are different sizes. So that's what that first page is showing you. They're the exact same picture, but different sizes. Two things need to be true for things to be similar polygons. Corresponding angles have to be congruent, so they have to be the exact same. And corresponding sides need to be proportional. We'll talk about what that means in a second. So if those two things are not true, then they're not similar polygons. And remember, corresponding means they're just in the matching spots. That's all that means. The ratio of your corresponding sides is called the scale factor, so like how big or how small you're shrinking something or enlarging it. And if polygons are similar, then their perimeters are also proportional. Let's see what these things look like. So do we agree we have two triangles there? Yeah. Do they look congruent? What's congruent mean? The exact same. Why do they not look the exact same?
Because the numbers are off.
Numbers are off, one smaller than the other one, right? Okay, so now we can see if they're similar. So let's first look. Do I have three pairs of congruent angles?
Yeah.
What does A match with? B matches with? And C matches with? Okay, so that's your first thing you had to check. And then you have to see if your sides are proportional. So what does that mean? So if I always go small to small. What's my smallest side here?
8.
8. What's my smallest side over here?
12.
12. Either divide that out or reduce it. So what is 8 divided by 12? Or if I reduce that fraction, what would we get?
2/3.
So now if my other two sides don't reduce to 2/3, then they're not similar. Okay, so let's just chat for fun. What does my medium side over here match with?
10.
10 and 15.
Does that reduce to 2/3?
Yeah, probably.
Awesome.
Potentially.
And what's my biggest side?
27.
Just that.
Sides, so 2 and 3.
So that's what proportional means. All your sides have to reduce to the same thing.
There is a possibility. Cool.
Okay? So what is the scale factor from A, B, C to D, E, F? That's just this. 2 to 3. So it wants the smaller one first. And you always reduce it. So if you would have had 8 over 12, you would have reduced it to 2 over 3. Okay. What is our scale factor from D, E, F to triangle A, B, C? So now I'm going from the big to the small.
32.
Yeah, 3 to 2. You just switch the order. 3 to 2.
Interesting.
It is interesting. And then it says, what is the ratio of the perimeter of triangle DEF to triangle ABC? It's just the same thing as your scale factor.
You're just slowly turning it into vertical line.
What's that?
No,
3 to 2.
slowly turning it into vertical lines.
So let's just first tell me what the perimeter of DEF is. It's 54. Okay. What's the perimeter of ABC? 36. Can we reduce that?
Yeah.
Will you reduce it for me?
I won't, but someone will.
Bigger than 9.
3
3
to
to 2.
18's right? 32. So they should be the same. So that's just a fun fact. If you remember it, awesome. If you don't, you can figure it out other ways. Okay? What else is on the slide here? Oh, a similarity statement. So we use a little squiggle to represent similarity. So it's kind of like that top part of the congruent symbol. It says a valid similarity statement must match corresponding angles and sides. So if I said triangle BCA, what is it similar to? What does B match with?
EF.
Perfect. E matches with B, F and C, D and A. So it's just kind of like a congruence statement we used to have, but now it's similarity. Okay, let's practice matching corresponding parts. So list all congruent angles and write a proportional statement that relates the sides. So you can either organize your work like this, I did it for you the first time, but if you don't want to make it a angle every time, that's okay. But I just like to go down one triangle, JKL. So what angle is angle J congruent to?
N.
Just remember, first letter goes with
P.
Oh,
first letter, they match.
oh.
Angle K matches angle M. And angle L goes with
Angle.
beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna have something that looks really weird, so write this out for me just like this. So a big fraction bar with an equal sign, fraction bar with an equal sign, another fraction bar. Then we'll fill in the rest. So on the top, let's list the sides of our small triangle. So I can write JK, KL, and then JL. So now what side does JK match? PM, right? KL matches MN, and then JL, PN. So that's just saying those sides are proportional to each other. That's a fancy way to write it. Okay, we are given two similar triangles, and we need to find the value of x. So if I look, what side does AG match?
Yes.
So you can look at your similarity statement. AG matches
KS.
KX. So I can write 32 over x plus 3, because I know they're proportional, is equal to, what's that, sir?
Are we gonna end up like cross multiplying?
Yes, that's how we're going to solve it. And then GM matches what?
X plus 6.
Yep. So 36 over x plus 6. And then we just solve like we were doing yesterday. We're gonna get some big numbers here. You guys get 21? Okay, so the first part of your assignment, you're going to decide if things are similar. And second part, you're going to do stuff like this by setting up a proportion. No notes are kind of brief, but I'll swap around the whole time to get stuff, okay?